Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2003 Holden Rodeo single cab chassis ute. Stock reference number 4477. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2003 through to the 10th month 2006. It has a 6 VE1, 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. 6 VE1, 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front end. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left manual door mirror. Left front door has with multiple small dents. Triple M tray, aluminium. Does have a little bit of damage, still may be usable with all bolts and brackets. Left rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right rear 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Right door has a couple of small dents. Right manual door mirror. Right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver's side door trim. Manual window regs. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. Driver's side seat does have a small rip on the outside edge. Manual type console in grey. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Factory CD player. Interior mirror. Left hand sun visor. And the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.